Hi, I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're certified aromatherapists for Simply Earth. We love using essential oils and teaching people how to make recipes like this one.
In this recipe, we're going to make a veins sugar scrub.
Which is perfect for me because I think I'm at the start of varicose veins, and this is going to help reduce my symptoms and also reduce the appearance.
Perfect.
Yeah. We test all of our recipes, and all the ingredients for our recipes are available in our essential oil recipe box. So to make this recipe, you will need a cup of sugar. We're going to use this as an exfoliator.
Any kind of sugar?
Any kind of sugar.
Okay.
This is white cane sugar,
Okay.
which has bigger grains. But if you want, which can be a little harsh on your skin, if you want a more gentler sugar, go with granulated sugar or brown sugar.
Perfect.
All right, so for this recipe, you will need a cup of sugar,
Okay.
a tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil, 9 drops of Veins Essential Oil Blend, and you also want a sealable container to store it in.
All right.
First, add the essential oils to it. That
Okay.
way we know the essential oils are fully mixed in our carrier oil. The carrier oil makes it safe to put the essential oil on our skin because essential oils are very concentrated.
Perfect.
So give that a little stir and then add it to the sugar. All right, go ahead and then mix it up until it looks like everything is covered.
Like white sand.
Yes. All right, once that is in, we can put it in our container. When you're using this blend, it's best to use a spoon or something other than your fingers to get it out, because once you add water, because a lot of people use sugar scrubs in the shower, once water gets in there, it can start to,
Disintegrate it.
yeah, and also it can go bad quicker. It'll shorten its shelf life.
Oxidize it.
You'll want to make sure you label it so you don't forget what's in it. Magic label! Woohoo! All right, so I'll just put this on my magical vein sugar scrub. That sounded really good. And it's ready to use. You'll just need to use like a quarter size amount, and that'll go pretty far. And scrub it into your skin when it's wet.
Okay.
And it'll rub off dead skin, and that scrubbing movement will help boost your circulation as well. Plus the essential oil is really gonna help with reducing symptoms of varicose veins.
And then you just wash it off when you're done?
Yep.
Perfect.
And your legs will be silky smooth.
Yay! You can check out our recipe box at simplyearth.com, and we also have a very helpful blog post.
And you can find our blogs at blog.simplyearth.com.
See you later.